guys, welcome back to Unicorn Workshop. In today's video, I'll be showing you my desk tour. Hope you like this video, and let's get started. So here we're picking up the first thing, which are a bunch of these little pencils. They are so cute, so colorful, and they are pen plus gear mechanical pencils. They're very awesome. They have so much different colors. They can change the lead of it. You can change the lead. And you can also change the erasers, which I'll be showing you later in this video. So these are amazing and I completely recommend. So this year I'm going full color, if you don't know, mainly pastel. Okay, over here we have some Crayola pencils. If you see my first video, you know I have some high-end pencils, Prismacolor. But it's school, so I thought I didn't need that much of a high-end pencil. So I just kept it here for easy access. Alright, next up we have these pens, which are from Sargent. They're Sargent gel pens, and these are really awesome. I had them for three years, and the ink still hasn't run out, which I think is super amazing. They come in all these beautiful colors, so that's one of the things I really love about these Sargent gel pens. Next up we have these regular Expo markers. I got the ones that are in regular shades, but I keep the ones that work the best for me right in front so I can use them. They are so colorful and they're very easy to use, and I think they're actually quite high brand. Alright, so over here we have my erasable highlighters, which are also from Pen Plus Gear. A lot of these things are from Pen Plus Gear, which I think is a really amazing brand. But these little things come in all these different colors and they're really beautiful. So next up we have these tiny cheetah markers, which come in a bunch of shades. I have some skin tone shades and these colorful shades, but I like the colors better, so I put them up front. They're so cool. I got them from the Target dollar spot. Okay, I'm not going to share any of these names, but this is some Dream Big washi tape. I'm pretty sure I got this from Dollar Tree. It comes in a really big set, but this is the one I like to use the most. Alright, next up I have a paper clip, because you never know if you need a paper clip. And then I have a rainbow eraser. I am in love with the color rainbow, so I just have a rainbow eraser here, so just in case if I need to erase something, I can really easily erase it with this. Next up we have these, which are Amazon blue light glasses. The thing I like about this is you can choose your own color, but if you want to get it correctly, you probably might want to go, just in case if you want to do some double checking, you might want to go to a real person. Alright, next up we have these pastel colored sticky notes that are also from Pen Plus Gear, and they're so awesome. I love this little pastel color. I used to have these, but I don't really like the neon pinks. If you've ever seen the regular most famous kind, these pastel really speak to me, which is why I chose it. Next up we have these erasers, which are mini pencil erasers, and I love them ever so much. If you don't have a pencil that has an eraser, you can just stick it on, and then you'll have a huge eraser, which lasts for a long time. I always use these, and I think they're really amazing. I cover them up on my own erasers. They're just so amazing. Next up we have these pink scissors, which I think everyone has scissors, which I really love these ones because they're the color pink and it kind of matches my stationery. If you're wondering where I got the stationery from, it's AliExpress. Alright, so next up over here we have some zebra midliners. I am in love with the brand Zebra. It's so amazing. So when I saw these zebra midliners, I'm like, I have to have those. And they come in all these beautiful shades, which is what I really love about them. Alright, moving on, we have these, which I like to call my random pens. I have a bunch of these random pens. I have them here, I have them there, but I like these, the ones that I keep the most over here. Next up, these are the leads that I was telling you about that go on these little pencils. The interchangeable leads, which I think is really nice just in case if it breaks. And then we also have these erasers. You can put them if the erasers fall out, or you can mix the colors, which is really nice. Alright, next we're going to move on to some place in my desk, which I like to call the cozy desk corner. because I have my Harry Potter book, so I'm a huge Harry Potter fan. I'm in love with Harry Potter, so I have Harry Potter books, Harry Potter spell books, Harry Potter unofficial spell books. I have all these random Harry Potter things because old is the new. I have this hand, like a little phone stand in a bank. This is a really precious little box that I got from my grandma, and I cherish it, so I keep it over here. And next up, if you see that little plant, that's a DIY that I made in Dollar Tree items. Some succulents and pebbles, and you can make this really pretty little orb, and it's so cute. And of course, we have some index cards. Alright, next up we have this, which says Rollin' with the Ponies. It's like this little thing I made a long time back. And then this is a little Mickey Mouse character. I love Disney so much. I made it when I was younger, so whatever art teacher told me to make this, it's brilliant. I really love it so much. This is a little marker art that I did. It says, unicorns are awesome, I am awesome, therefore I am unicorn. Next up, of course, you have this huge unicorn sticker wall and a whiteboard, which I really like. But first, I want to show you these, which is my stationery, which I have beside my table. I have some brush pens here. I have a big folder. I have some sticky notes, which have these apples, and they're green, and there's so many more. It says notes, list, to do. It's really awesome. And it also comes with a folder, which is really nice for school. And this is my little school planner, which I have, that has a bonus sticker sheet inside. So if I need to go to the doctor or the dentist, I don't need to write it with my messy handwriting. I can just go on this and stick it in. This is my old last year planner, which still says 2021, but I love it so much, I just can't give it away. It's so beautiful. Next up, we have this, which is my little fire, and I love to read these Amazon little books, so I just read it on these. Then we have this hieroglyphic bookmark, which I got in Universal Studios on the Egyptian ride. This is my random junk area. I have lip balm, wires, and a bunch of random things. This is one of my Vera Brawleys that my mom got me. More brush pens. I have an unconditional love for brush pens. More pens, more random stuff, markers, pencils, bunch of random, and Harry Potter pen. Now we're going to go closer into my whiteboard, which has these signs as happy optimism, these little magnets, if you see over there. And it comes with 2 markers, and I think it's really awesome. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram. Bye guys, catch you in the next one.